Good morning, students. Yesterday we learned what are the rules for multiplication. Today we will learn what are the rules for what is BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule explain the order of operations to solve an expressions. This BODMAS rule is very helpful to solve every type of expression. Let's see what is the full form of BODMAS rule. If you observe, I write the BODMAS here. B. This B stands for bracket. Which three brackets are used? Circular, curly bracket and square bracket. This O stands for off. D. This D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And this S stands for subtraction. While solving the expressions or examples, we have to follow this BODMAS rule, and according to this BODMAS rule, we will solve some examples. Let's solve some example. The first example is in bracket 2 plus 3 bracket complete into 4. We have to solve this example by using BODMAS rule. How to use this BODMAS rule? In BODMAS rule, which letter comes first? B. And B stands for what? Bracket. So, we will solve bracket first. Now, it is a bracket and in bracket, addition is given. So, solve this bracket first. 2 plus 3, it is 5. Now, remember, after solving, this bracket must be removed. First letter is B and B stands for bracket. So we will solve bracket first, and after solving this bracket must be removed. What is next? Into 4. Now after B, there is O, D, M, A, S. Now there is only one operation, that is multiplication. So we will multiply these two numbers. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. This is our answer. Now let's take one more example. The example is 25 minus 20 minus in curly bracket 10 minus 7 minus 5 minus 3 bar, this bracket complete, curly bracket complete and square bracket complete. Now according to BODMAS rule, we will solve this example. Now the first letter is bracket, so we have to solve bracket first. But if you observe, there are three brackets: square bracket, curly bracket and circular bracket. तो सबसे पहले हम जो सबसे अंदर ब्रैकेट होता है उस ब्रैकेट को हम सबसे पहले सॉल्व करेंगे. सो सबसे अंदर कौन सा ब्रैकेट है? कर्ली ब्रैकेट. सो वी विल सॉल्व दिस सर्कुलर ब्रैकेट. सो वी विल सॉल्व दिस सर्कुलर ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट. नाउ इन सर्कुलर ब्रैकेट देयर इज अ ऑपरेशन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. बट इफ यू ऑब्जर्व 5 माइनस 3 के ऊपर एक बार है, तो सबसे पहले हम बार वाला एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे. The remaining you have to write as it is. So first what you will solve? This 5 minus 3. जिसके ऊपर बार होता है that you have to solve first. So write this 25 minus square bracket 20 minus curly bracket 10 minus in bracket 7 minus. Solve this 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? The answer is 2. Bracket complete, curly bracket complete, square bracket complete. Still we have three brackets and the circular bracket, that is 7 minus 2. Now we will solve this bracket first. That is, write this 25 minus square bracket 20 minus curly bracket 10 minus. What is the subtraction? 7 minus 2. Answer is 5. Now remember, while solving, the bracket must be removed. 7 minus 2. Circular bracket solve हुआ, तो हमने circular bracket को क्या किया? Remove किया. Which bracket remains? this curly bracket and square bracket. Now we have two bracket, square bracket and curly bracket. तो सबसे अंदर कौन सा bracket है? Curly bracket. So solve this bracket first. Second step is this 25 minus square bracket 20 minus 10 minus 5. Answer is 5. While solving the bracket must be removed. हमने ये bracket solve किया, इसलिए हम curly bracket क्या करेंगे? Remove करेंगे. Which bracket remain? Square bracket. Now solve this remaining bracket first. 25 minus 20 minus 5. Answer is 15. As I said, after solving, bracket must be removed. Now what is the operation left? Subtraction. So 25 minus 15. Answer is 5. Yesterday we learned rules of multiplication. In that I explained you. Sorry, the subtraction of 25 minus 15 is 10. Yesterday we learned rules for multiplication and addition. If you observe, this 25 is positive and 15 is negative. 25 is bigger number and this bigger number has positive sign. Therefore, the answer of is also positive. हम हमेशा bigger number का sign ही answer को देते हैं. One more example I will explain. The third example is 7 plus circular bracket 8 minus 3 of 2 divided by 3 bracket complete. According to BODMAS rule, we have to solve bracket first. Which bracket? This bracket. But if you observe, in this bracket there are three operations. First is negative, a subtraction, of and division. Now after bracket, which is the second letter, that is O. O means what? O stands for of. Now of means what? We have to multiply this two number. What we have to do? Of का मतलब क्या होता है? हमें multiplication करना है. Second letter O है. That's why we are solving this operation first. So write this 7 plus in bracket 8 minus 3 into of means what? 3 into 2 divided by 3. Solve this. That is 7 plus 8 minus 3 2s are 6 divided by 3. Now again first we have to solve bracket, but in this bracket there are two operations. First is subtraction and second one is division. Now after this bracket, which is the second of that we solve here, the third letter is D. D stands for what? Division. So we will solve this division first. So after solving this, what will be the next step? 7 plus 8 minus 6 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 3 2s are 6. So it is the answer is 2. Now which operation is left? The operation is subtraction. Now solve this bracket. 7 plus 8 minus 2. Answer is 6. As I said, after solving, remove the bracket. Now what left? 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. What is the answer? The answer is 30. This is how we have to use BODMAS rule for solving such a type of example. According to each letter, you have to solve every step.